differentiate between non-profit bookkeeping and for-profit bookkeeping. Almost all the business in the world can be differentiated between two types: for-profit business and not for-profit business. We all are doing job or doing business that must be fall into this criteria. So there are huge difference. Same bookkeeping, there are also huge difference. Now I am going to discuss the differences for you. This will help you to take a detailed analysis of them. First of all, purpose. Non-profit bookkeeping. The purpose of non-profit bookkeeping is that to take the proper recording of different types of donation, grant they receive. They are maintaining up-to-date list of donors, expenses, payroll, etc. Its main goal is to clearly recording data of grant, donor, etc. and all other revenue, and how these donations are used and how these grants are used. Their successfulness depends on the maintenance and proper maintenance of financial data of these grants, donor, etc. and how they are using. For-profit bookkeeping. The main goal of for-profit bookkeeping is that to take proper record of any buying, selling, or all the business activity of that organization. As it is for doing for profit, it is more crucial to maintain all the ins and outs of the business transaction. Source of revenue, non-profit bookkeeping. Main source of revenue of non-profit bookkeeping is restricted fund, non-restricted fund, or any other grant, etc. For profit bookkeeping, pivotal source of for profit organization is for profit bookkeeping is received from sales or service which they are providing. A for profit organization can earn revenue from sales of product, or they can also provide service, which is also source of their income. Financial reporting. Non-profit organization or organization must adhere to generally accepted accounting principles, that is GAAP and Financial Accounting Standard Board (FASB). They must submit their financial statement of activity, estimate of cash flow to the regulatory authority regularly. For profit bookkeeping, for any organization who is operated for profit has to operate under specific rules and regulations, that is GAAP and FASB. They have to submit regularly financial statement, estimate of cash flow, estimate of income statement, and estimate of owner's equity. Taxation. Non-profit organization. Generally, non-profit organization are tax exempted according to the law, but for profit organization they have to pay tax regularly, source tax, sales tax, etc. Though non-profit organizations are tax exempted, but in some countries there are some tax bar may be imposed on them, but which is very negligible for them. Stakeholders focus. Non-profit organization. Generally, the stakeholders of non-profit organizations are donors, grant, or any other public who are getting benefit from their work. For profit accounting, the stakeholders of for profit organization is that the stakeholders and owner. Generally, stakeholders are getting service or using the product, and the owner who is getting the profit ultimately. Thanks for hearing. Yeah, you can subscribe my channel or join to my LinkedIn group or Facebook group.